Have you ever wondered what the future of beauty looks like? Imagine a world where your skincare products are tailor-made for your unique skin. Your hair care routine is powered by science. And every product you use is not only effective, but also eco-friendly. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. The beauty industry is undergoing a massive transformation. And the secret ingredient is biotechnology. But here's the real question. How is biotechnology reshaping the way we care for our skin and hair? And what does this mean for the future of beauty? Stick around, because today we're diving into the fascinating world of biotech and cosmetics. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works, but also why it's set to revolutionize the way we think about beauty. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is biotech and cosmetics? Simply put, it's the fusion of biological sciences and cutting-edge technology to create innovative, sustainable, and highly effective beauty products. It's not just a trend, it's a movement here to stay. Let's break it down into three key areas: skincare, hair care, and sustainability. Your skin is unique, and biotech is making sure your skincare products know that too. Imagine ingredients that are bioengineered to target specific concerns like aging, acne, or sensitivity. These aren't just any ingredients, they're scientifically designed to work with your skin's natural processes. For example, microbiome-friendly compounds are now being used to balance your skin's ecosystem, ensuring it stays healthy and radiant. And let's not forget lab-grown ingredients. These are sustainable, ethical, and often more potent than their traditional counterparts. Biotech isn't just about skin. It's also transforming how we care for our locks. Recent advancements have introduced products that go beyond surface-level nourishment. For instance, biotech is helping create solutions for hair loss and damage repair by targeting the root causes at a cellular level. Think of it as personalized hair care that understands your hair's unique needs. Whether you're dealing with dryness, breakage, or thinning, biotech is here to help you achieve healthier, stronger hair. Here's something we can all get behind: sustainability. The beauty industry has a significant environmental footprint, but biotech is changing that. From reducing water usage to creating biodegradable ingredients, biotech is leading the charge in eco-friendly beauty. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling good knowing your products are kind to the planet. And let's not forget the role of enzymes in natural skin renewal. They're not only effective, but also sustainable. Now, let's solve the mystery we started with. What does the future of biotech and cosmetics look like? The answer is simple: personalization and innovation. With the help of AI and AR technologies, biotech is paving the way for custom beauty experiences. Imagine a skincare regimen designed specifically for your skin type, or a hair care routine tailored to your hair's unique needs. This isn't just the future, it's happening right now, but it doesn't stop there. Biotech is also making waves in aesthetic medicine, offering non-invasive procedures and advanced treatments that deliver real results. Of course, there are challenges, like regulatory hurdles and ethical considerations, but the potential is immense. As we move forward, biotech will continue to redefine beauty, making it more sustainable, effective, and personalized than ever before. So there you have it. Biotech and cosmetics is more than just a trend, it's a revolution. From innovative skincare ingredients to sustainable practices and personalized beauty experiences, biotech is shaping the future of the beauty industry. What do you think about these advancements? Are you excited to try biotech-powered products? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of beauty and science. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future of beauty is here, and it's powered by biotech. See you in the next video.